Hey guys, this is very secure. I mean, if the audio is bad, just okay, well. But anyways, guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to how to um how to get voice on Windows 7. If you have a Windows 7, then this is good luck for you. It could be either Windows 7 and up, or whatever, Windows 6, Windows 5, whatever Windows computer you have, and it works on Bandicam. Okay, so yeah, whatever Windows you have, Windows computer, whatever, or whatever computer you have. It doesn't work on computer, it only works on laptop, I think. So yeah. So first off, go to General on Bandicam, and then you click Advanced. Then you see right here, you see Others right here. Click that and click Video Recording Settings. Alright. Then right here you have to put Record Sound and put a microphone, even if you have no microphone. This is for no microphone, okay? Without microphone. So just put microphone, don't worry about it. Click the volume all the way up so people can hear you, secondary sound device microphone, default sound device, or like Windows 7, Windows 5, Windows 8.1, Windows 8, and it has to be with the sound. It has to be sound device, okay? Then you put two sound mixing, primary plus secondary into one audio track, just to I don't know. And then if you want to test it, you can just press settings on it, and then let me just move this. Hold up, I'm gonna move this. And then look, if the green goes up, that means you're off speak. So yeah, and then you click OK, and then click OK on this one with the X button, and there you go. This was like a little short video. Yeah. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. I know this audio is like really bad, but whatever.